Hi guys and welcome to Liam's Tech Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to add a new Philips Hue bulb to an existing ecosystem that you have within your house if you already have Philips Hue. So I have Philips Hue at the moment and I've bought a load of warm white bulbs just to add to the system to complete the house. I've got a few coloured ones and I've got a couple of white ambience ones, but for the rooms that aren't really used I've bought a couple of warm white bulbs that you can get fairly cheap. I picked them up for about £8 UK. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is plug in your bulb and turn on the switch. This will make the bulb turn on, obviously, to its default settings. So with the warm white one, it will just turn to warm white at 100%. With the coloured ones, I think it does turn to a white colour, again at 100%. Once you've done that, you need to go into the app. You need to go to Settings, and you need to press the Light Setup menu. So press Light Setup and then press the plus in the bottom right hand corner and then search. What this will do, we'll search for your lights. Just give it a couple of minutes. This does obviously depend on your network speed as well, how quick it can find something. So there you go, at the top it's found a new bulb, a Hue White Lamp 1. So what I'm going to do, because this is going in the bedroom, I'm going to relabel that so I know which bulb goes where. You do that by pressing the I button, then you get to this screen, and then I'm going to label that. I'll just label it bedroom, and press return. What that'll do is automatically save it to bedroom. It'll change the name for you, as you can see at the top, and it's got the new on the right hand side. So next thing you want to do is you want to set it up into a new room, and to do that you go back and then you go to room setup. So in here you can see I've got living room, I've got two lights in here, I've got kitchen, office, guest room and landing currently. So I want to set up a new one for the bedroom. So the bottom right hand corner, press the plus symbol, change that at the top to bedroom. You can label it whatever you want, obviously. The room type underneath, we'll change that to bedroom. And then you can see that the lights are listed below. So what you want to do is tick the lights that are in that room. So obviously there's only one light in the room at the minute, so we'll tick the bedroom light and then you just press save. Once that's saved, you just go back to your home button and you'll now see that bedroom is listed at the bottom. You can dim it with the white bulbs, and that's pretty much all you can do. You can go into different scenes, but it is just bright dimmed and night light. So to turn it off, just press the right hand toggle and that is it. So thank you for watching this quick tutorial. If you liked it, please give me a like and subscribe to the channel. Please also give feedback, as I'm new to this YouTube game, so it's all handy to have feedback. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.